Children, today we are going to learn a very interesting and a very important chapter, Goods and Services Tax, GST, for class 10, chapter 1. Children, earlier we had sales tax, then we had value added tax, that is VAT, and today, after a great reform in the taxation policy, now the taxation system which we have in India, which is a revolution also we say, it is GST. So it is very important to know about GST. So let us start. I have taken a very easy example to understand GST. So it's a very easy example. Let me start. The base price of Activa 5G is rupees 42,000. Now suppose there is a scooty Activa 5G, its base price, that means showroom price, that means without tax, only price of scooty is rupees 42,000. Let me again tell you, this rupees 42,000 is the showroom price, or we can say the base price. It is not the price that in which we are going to get, that means it is without tax. Now if GST is chargeable at the rate of 28%, now the important thing, on 42,000 rupees 28% GST will be charged. After that what price comes, very important to know. Now find number one question, total GST, that means goods and services tax, that means how much GST, that means how much tax do we need to pay on 42,000 rupees. Now number two, CGST, and then we have number 3, SGST. Now let me remind you children, CGST means the GST received by central government. That means the tax is divided into two equal parts. One part is taken by central government, and second, very important, very equally, the second part is given to state government, that is SGST, state GST and central GST. We have to find separately. Number 4, the total amount the buyers has to pay for it. Now, what will be the total amount that a buyer has to pay? That means a buyer need to pay 42,000 as well as the GST charged. So let us start. Now solution, base price or taxable amount is rupees 42,000. Children, I wrote one very important thing, base price or taxable amount. That means 42,000 will be our base price, or in technical term if I speak, it is taxable amount. That means GST will be charged on 42,000 rupees. Now rate of GST is 28%. These two things are given in the question. Now number one question's answer you see. Total GST amount. They are asking total GST. So I wrote total GST amount is, as you all know, here we should know percentage formula. Now what is the rate of GST? 28%. That 28 we should write at the top in numerator, by in the denominator we will write 100. This is formula. We can say it is a formula of percentage also. 28 by 100 is formula into or multiplied by 42,000. Why 42,000? Because 28% tax is on 42,000 rupees. So we will multiply 42,000. Now if you cancel 0, 42 into 28, the final answer is 11,760. So this is our total tax, total goods and services tax, GST, that we have to pay on this price. And this money will be not taken by the showroom, it will be taken by the government, and one is central government and one is state government. Now what will be the amount that central government will take? So CGST, central government's central GST is divide 11,760, same answer, by 2. Why by 2? Because equally it will be divided among state government and central government. That means 50% will be taken by central government and 50% will be taken by state government. That's why divided by 2. And if you divide by 2, 5,880 will be central government's part. Now very easy, SGST also will be same. No need to divide because the amount of CGST and SGST is equal because it is equally divided into two halves. So same answer. Number 4, final price or the total amount that buyer has to pay. So I wrote total amount also, I can say final price also. Why final price? Because tax we know how much we have to pay. So final price will come. So 42,000 is the base price or the taxable amount, and 11,760 is the tax GST. So if you add, answer is 53,760. So this is the final price that the buyer has to pay. So very easy, very important children, as I think you understood also that the tax is equally divided among two parts, that is for one central government and second for state government. One more small example I have given. Suppose you think there is a pen and taxable amount, suppose 15 rupees is the price of pen, but the shopkeeper is saying there is 20% GST tax on it, on the pen, 15 rupees. So 15 rupees 20% is 3 rupees. So our GST will be 3 rupees. So my final price will be 15 plus 3. That means I need to pay 18 rupees for the pen. That means 15 rupees is the taxable amount and 3 rupees is the tax, and final price is 18 rupees. Now on that central government will get 1 rupees 50 paise and state government will get 1 rupees 50 paise as tax, because 3 rupees is the tax, and 3 rupees if you divide into two halves, it is 1 rupees 50 paise, 1 rupees 50 paise. This is one more small example I have just shown here in the rough. I hope you have understood. So I will be giving a very similar question to solve at home as a homework. Please do that. Thank you children.